Bradley. I'm an extreme endurance athlete and motivational speaker. The topic of today's video is chunk it down. I'm getting ready to head to Mexico next week to climb 3 volcanoes. The tallest 2 are 17,000 and 18,000 feet high. And the biggest one is Pico de Orizaba. And I was talking to my buddy who climbed it a few years ago, and don't ask me what I was thinking, I really wasn't thinking. And he said, the summit day, Bill, you know summit day is 12 plus hours, right? It's a 12 plus hour day. I go like, wow, that's a really long day. I mean, I guess I just hadn't expected that to be as long of a day as what it was. And I was starting to get overwhelmed. You know, you're up here at, you know, it's that the height of that is 18,000 feet. So you're up at high altitude, nice pitch, you know, icy cover. And I'm thinking, wow, that's a really long day. And then I remember, because just last week I heard my old triathlon coach, Troy Jacobson, he was giving a talk about when you get the run in the Ironman, and it's 20, you know, it's a marathon, it's 26 miles, and he said, chunk it down. You go 1 mile at a time. And I go, you know, and that's something I know. I mean, I do it all the time in my events, but I hadn't thought about it for climbing volcanoes. And then I said to myself, all right, I got to climb this volcano. Well, I'm sure not going to think that this is going to be 12, 13, 14 hours. I'm going to say 1 hour. I'm going to go, in my own mind, I'm saying just make it 1 hour. I'm going to go 1 hour, 12 to 14 times. I'm going to chunk it down into 1 hour intervals, because 1 hour is normally when you take a rest break. So you just say, I just got to make it another hour. I just got to make it another hour. Just got to make it another hour. And I could feel the anxiety in me start to come down, you know, as I go, okay, I can do that. I can do an hour. And then I could do another hour. And then I could do another hour. And then I could do another hour. You know, I've done the training. I've definitely done the training. And so I felt, anyway, I felt really confident by chunking it down. And I want to thank Troy for putting that thought in my head. Anyway, if you're interested, you can email me at epicbillbradley@gmail.com. And remember, if you feel overwhelmed, chunk it down. Thank you very much.